Today we're going to check out some items from Pinterest made of pennies. These are some really neat ideas, so be sure to vote for your favorite in the comments below. I really like number 12. Check out this penny flooring. It looks like they took pennies of different ages and colors to create this beautiful flooring. I am jealous. These pennies were used to create an area rug. They likely took some sort of black fabric as the backing to glue the pennies onto. Got the boombox blasting and we're just laughing. The neighbors try to shut us down, but you know they can blame us for acting shameless. Now we just like to have some fun. We're just like ooh, ooh, ooh. We don't worry about tomorrow. We just ooh, ooh, ooh. What we wanna do tonight before we all grow old. So don't tell me how to act or how I should be. All we wanted is to be. Look at this fantastic wall hanging made of pennies. I like how they incorporated some really corroded old green pennies as an accent. This one is really easy. Get wooden letters that say whatever you wish, then cover them with pennies. I might not be fine, but I will never let it go. No, I will never let it go. So don't tell me how I should be. How I should. All we want is to be free. We don't want to be like you see. We just like a little crazy. I think this mirror is absolutely gorgeous and once again so easy to make. Find a base for your pennies or glue them together with really strong glue. Check out the picture for reference and you are done. What a cool picture! I love the way they use different colored pennies to make the image. If you like this video, please be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. While you're down there, go ahead and hit the thumbs up to help the YouTube algorithm push my videos out more. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a beautiful, wonderful, fantastic day, and peace out.